So Jay, tell me, what is one super tip on getting started in real estate investing?
The first thing that comes to mind is an experience I had 15 years ago. I've been investing in primarily single family houses, commercial as well. I've got a shopping center that February, the $22,000 mortgage got paid off. So talk about passive income. And so when I started out in single family houses, all I did was read books. Okay. Not a good way to start. So definitely the super tip is don't go at this as a newbie on your own. Get a mentor that has been down the road, has been through the mines, has attended seminars that they did not intend to attend, i.e. mistakes and so absolutely, and I know Monica, that you, I'm sure after you've been doing this, for years and years and years. I'm sure you're a fantastic mentor. So get a mentor.